What up, nerds? I'm just playing around with that shallot. You guys want to cook some shrimp? Just keep it in there.
Watch me, watch me, watch me.
We're gonna grill some shrimp on this bad boy. Salsa Macha that I got from work. Famous Salsa Macha at this point. I work at Alma Fonda Fina. I'm gonna marinate the shrimp. We mainly want the oil. I got some of our magic sauce from earlier. Soy sauce, Worcestershire combo. It's good on everything. Salt. So we got our charcoals all the way up to the top of this tiny little grill, so it should be very hot. Like you can hear it. You can see the little sparks going. When you're grilling shrimp, you want to go hard and fast. Otherwise they get kind of a weird texture.
Look who's living lawless now, doing whippets with witches in these Jesus. Shoot your shotgun at your Hollywood sign, put holes in your thesis. So come to game on me, what came before it looks a little foreign, cause the new strange is so normal. Need a little change, life to rearrange, prefer the dull range to the mundane. Getting lively, my bones are crushed. You know it come one day, so I'll never trust that vision from a witch or a priest you caress. Show me how it is, you a lying piece of shit. Well, let me fix my marijuana like my glitch. I know you wanna take this heat to feed your bone.
I'll char it for the QB mayo. You don't want your shrimp to like overcook. The heat is way more even than I was expecting. I'm just kind of making sure we get cooked all the way around. And you just want to go for texture. You want it to be firm, but not like hard firm. And underdone is going to be squishy. And not cooked shrimp is not very good. You want that like nice snap to it, but you don't want it to be rubbery. All right, these are feeling pretty good. All right, we'll take these bad boys out.
Malibu, daughter. What's that East LA living? Ghost factory chilling, dabble with the crimes before I make my million. Got a crazy feeling I'm gonna be feeling.
It's lightly grilled. Nice healthy snack for us. All right, there you go. That's it. We got a little grilled shrimp, toss in some salsa macha. A little salsa macha QP mayo on top. Delicious. Pretty good. The salsa macha really did most of the heavy lifting for us. So I would make it at home if I were you. Tasty. All right, well, that was grilling and chilling in the backyard. Hope you guys had a good time. I had a blast. I'll see you next time.
Pretend I'm a nerd.
You are a nerd. All right. What up, nerds, again? Ah, that was terrible. All right, hold on. Let me get in the mode. What up, nerds? So we still got
Like,
some...
you can't say what up, nerds, and then be like,
All right, what up, nerds? So... just keep it in there.